Today I am attempting to transform this place into a off-road track for my Mojave Grom 3S. Starting off, we got to remove everything, all the woods and leaves. Starting off, we got to put the woods into this basket and then get it outside and put it in a bin. I've only got a few left, so let's just get these over. All the woods are now here. A lot of leaves. So we got a bin here. Open this. And put all these in there. The leaves are almost gone. Roughly been an hour or two. The woods are gone. Leaves are in progress of removal. Right, all the leaves are gone. Yeah. Pretty much. There's like one few, but that wouldn't impact the Mojave. Right, let's just give this a quick whip around. That was so much fun, but let's start designing and building the track. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes. Not the best cut in the world, but okay. It's like my first time cutting wood. So I've laid out all the wood pieces that I just cut around the area where I want the track to be. And it looks kind of alright, I guess. And I also got this wood as a little jump. Time for a track tour. I'm just gonna show you around the track all the things that have changed around the track. Starting off with one of my favorites are these prawn pots I found in the shed. They are just prawn pots put upside down, dug into the soil. So that's quite nice, and it highlights the track, makes it more obvious to where it is. Over here are one roof tile that's been placed upside down. It's a creative idea my brain just got, so I kind of like it, Then under here, there is a tunnel which has been dug so that I can drive the Mojave Grom under it. It took ages. Dead blue belts. They will be replaced or regrow next year. I'll get some new blue belts there, hopefully, and some grass. Then these are the wooden pieces I've cut earlier on in the video. This is a long piece of wood and a jump. Some more dead blue belts. And a wooden plank to highlight the track even more. Now, I want some suggestion in what I should do in the middle in the comments, please. The track is finished, so is the video. And thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of the video.